Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will walk you through how to check Facebook activity log history on Facebook app. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device, then simply tap on your profile icon on the top left corner to go to your profile. Then tap on the three dot option available right side of your profile. Then tap on the activity log from the list of options. Now this will open your Facebook activity log. In the activity log, you can see a option activity history. Just tap on it. Now you can see all the list of your activities on Facebook, including posts, comments, likes, shares, and other interactions. You can scroll through the log to review your past activities. By following these steps, you can easily check your Facebook activity log history on the Facebook app and review your past interactions and posts on the platform. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.